Now I'm gonna try the Corrado reel that I just got at DC. Um, it feels heavy, but I got it on the M1. This is a medium fast rod, and I love the rod. It's so light, it's beautiful. But we got this on a chatterbait. Let's see if we can do something on that, and let's see how it sounds, guys. See how it sounds. Oh, nice cast, no backlash. So let's see what we can do with this. I like it. It just feels heavy, compared to the XLS or SLX. Look at them bubbles. Yeah, they're all right here, right in front of me. I still put my finger on the spool. I know you're not supposed to, but I can't just get rid of the habit. But so far so good. I did have a couple of backlashes. So mm, so far so good. It casts really well. You know, I'm still trying to work out the brake system and so on. I got it on 4 right now. See if let's see if we can catch another toad. And one thing about spooling it up, don't go too high up because it doesn't work as well. I'll leave about like 1/8 of space. Do this a little bit faster.